Linking your bank account to the Nintendo eShop allows for seamless purchases and adds convenience to your gaming experience. Follow these steps to set up your bank account with the eShop. Step 1. Access the Nintendo eShop. Open your Nintendo Switch console and navigate to the Nintendo eShop from the home screen. Make sure you are signed into your Nintendo account. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use eShop to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 3. Select Payment Methods. In the Account Settings menu, look for the Payment Methods section. Click on it to view your current payment options and to add a new method. Step 4. Add bank account information. Choose the option to add a new payment method. Select bank account and fill in the required information, including your bank name, account number, and routing number. Make sure all details are accurate. Step 5. Confirm and save changes. After entering your bank account information, review it for accuracy. Once confirmed, save the changes. You may be prompted to verify your identity through a code sent to your email or phone. Now you are ready to make purchases on the Nintendo eShop using your linked bank account. Enjoy your gaming!